In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your nail salon's appointment scheduling using Acuity, making it easier than ever for your clients to book your services. Let's delve into these steps together and create a seamless experience for both you and your customers. First, we begin by creating appointment types for each nail service you offer. This step is essential to ensure that clients can see and choose from the services you provide. In your Acuity account, head over to the client booking page and select appointment types. Here, you'll click on Add New Service for each of your offerings, like manicure, pedicure, or nail extensions. Take care to input a clear name, duration, and price for each service. This information helps set clear expectations for your clients regarding time and cost. Don't forget to add detailed descriptions and include captivating images that highlight what makes your services unique. A well-presented service can often make all the difference in a client choosing you over a competitor. Next, it's time to customize the appearance of your scheduling page. This is where you can really showcase your brand's personality. Navigate back to the client booking page and select Customize Appearance. Here, you'll want to upload your logo and choose your brand colors. This consistency ensures a professional look that your clients can trust. Adding images to your services can enhance visual appeal, making them more attractive to potential clients. Tools like Canva can be incredibly useful for creating professional-looking graphics. As mentioned in our previous YouTube video, small touches like this can significantly elevate the client's booking experience. Moving along, we need to set availability and other important settings. Go to Client Booking page, then Availability, where you will define your business hours, including any breaks and holidays. It's vital to set up these details meticulously to avoid any confusion later. Utilize scheduling limits to manage when clients are permitted to book or cancel appointments, giving you control over your schedule. If you have varying hours for different services, take advantage of availability groups to manage these differences efficiently. Lastly, we'll link your scheduler to your website and share it widely. If you have a website, you can integrate your Acuity scheduler directly into a page or add a booking button that directs clients to your scheduling page. Detailed instructions can be found in the Acuity Help Center to aid you through this process. For those without a website, don't worry, you can still share your public booking page link via email or through your social media channels. This flexibility ensures that your clients have easy access to booking regardless of where they come across your services. By following these steps, you'll create a streamlined system that simplifies booking for your clients and helps your nail salon thrive. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.